I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making lime pie truffles. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. If you've been a compadre for a while, you know that I love incorporating citrus flavors into my candies. Well, tonight's no exception, and I gotta say I think it's gonna be pretty tasty, so let's get to it. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own lime pie truffles, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 3 teaspoons of lime zest. I'm using Mexican limes from one of my trees, but Persian or Key would work just as well. 2 cups of white chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of room temperature unsalted butter, and 5 graham crackers. I also found some crystallized lime in my pantry, so I'm going to use a bit of that as well. This is totally optional, but it does add a nice zing. I'm also using something to crush the graham crackers with, a small saucepan, a spatula, a microwave-safe bowl, some plastic wrap, some parchment paper, a cutting board, a pie pan, and a scoop. Okay, let's make some candy. Crush the graham crackers into crumbs and place them in the pie tin. In a small saucepan over medium heat, combine the heavy cream, condensed milk, and lime zest. Allow the mixture to heat until it reaches a simmer. Remove it from the heat and allow the lime zest to steep in the cream for about 20 minutes. Place the mixture back over medium-low heat and cook it until it just barely reaches a simmer. Put the white chocolate chips in a medium microwave-safe bowl. Pour the warm cream over the chips and let it sit for a couple of minutes. Stir the mixture until it's smooth. If the chips haven't quite melted, microwave the mixture in 15-second intervals, stirring in between intervals until it is smooth. If you can't quite get all of the chips to completely melt, don't worry about it, it'll be fine. Stir in the lime juice, and butter, and mix until everything is well incorporated. Cover it with plastic wrap so that the plastic lays directly on the surface of the filling. Refrigerate it until the filling is firm, at least 3 hours. Scoop up some of the filling and roll it between your hands to form a ball. Dab the ball into the crystallized lime. Roll the ball in the graham cracker crumbs until it's completely coated and place it on a lined cutting board. Repeat with the remaining filling, then refrigerate until they're ready to serve. And that's it. Okay, let's give it a try. Slanchiva. Yeah, this is really tasty. The filling is nice and creamy, really good mouthfeel. Graham cracker gives that nice crunchy contrast, sweet, tangy, just a hint of bitterness. I'm really glad I used that crystallized lime because that just gives it that little back of the tongue kind of zing there. You really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you join me next time. If you can't get quite all the chip cookie, it's doing so well. Scoop up some of the filling and roll it between.